Yo, YouTube, what's going on? YWG, and we're back with another video. And we're in Brazil, baby.
Yeah.
We're in Sao Paulo.
Sao Paulo.
Yeah, I'm on vacation. You're visiting family.
Yeah.
But while we have you here, we're going to do a taste test of some of the different fruits that we have here in Brazil that I haven't seen in America. Some I've seen in America, some I have not. But today, what we're going to show you all is the fig. Now, we've done fig videos before, and you know, figs are little cute things about this big. Some maybe that big, but we're going to show you what figs look like here in Brazil.
Woo! Look at that big.
That's an open eye at the bottom. That's what that's called, an open eye. But check this baby out. That's the largest fig I've ever seen. But we're gonna try it out, see what it tastes like, and see if it's worth it.
Oh yeah, that's good. Ooh.
Oh, show the inside. I know, ew.
Yes.
But we're still gonna show it.
Okay.
We're not gonna eat it though, not that part.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the open eye, so that remains open, and maybe that's why it's kind of brown inside. And I also noticed too that the red center in the middle is not really red all the way through, like in America. It's just like a red line going through. I guess that's the fruit part. I don't know, but we're gonna try it out.
Look inside. Okay.
Cut me a good piece. Okay, so you know what I always say. I don't even know why you're passing this to me.
Ladies first.
Yeah, ladies first. I'm polite.
Okay, let me see. Mmm. Very sweet, juicy. I love it.
Now, we haven't done a fruit taste test in a while. This is probably the first one we've done in a few months.
Oh yeah.
But I'll take another piece. Okay, what do you give it? Scale of 1 to 10. Besides
1
the
to 10. I give 8.
Okay.
Yeah, because could it be 8.5? 8.5.
I think what I look for in a fruit is I look for the sweetness and texture.
Exactly.
I'm a texture person, but then I'm a sweetness person. I just have it in my head that fruit is always supposed to be sweet. But you give it an 8.5. You know, I'm gonna be fair. I'm gonna give it probably about an 8 also. I need to learn how to say not all fruits are super sweet. This is not super sweet, but it's good. Will I buy it again? I probably would buy it again.
Yeah.
Not a whole bunch, but I'll probably buy it again. And this is called
Indian fig.
you know, it looks like a prickly pear.
Oh really?
It looks like a prickly pear, but you said it's Indian fig.
Yeah, the guy say Indian fig.
Does it have a smell on it?
Don't have a smell.
No.
No.
I can probably put that in my luggage and it'll get past it'll get past the dogs.
It's like a,
And the dogs wouldn't catch me stealing that, taking it home.
soft.
Easy cut.
Easy cut. Woo! Interesting.
Yeah, it almost looks like custard.
I like the color.
Yeah.
We can paint some furniture. This color, yeah.
It definitely does not look like a fig inside.
No.
He lied. He lied to you.
Oh, that's it.
Compost?
No compost. It's different. Give your opinion.
What is it? Does it remind you of anything?
Remind me of a mix of certain fruits. A mix.
Y'all been got some seeds.
It's interesting taste, right?
I can't get past the seeds. I don't like tough seeds, but
I don't care about seeds, so it's different taste.
Yeah, I can't put my finger on this one.
Maybe an orange with the papaya together, mixed with the melon. It's sweet. It's sweet. I cannot describe the taste. It's a mix of fruits for me.
Yeah, I can't put my finger on how it tastes. Does it taste sweet? It's very, very low sweet content.
No, do you think it's low?
Yeah,
The
so
sweet?
it's low.
Okay.
It's drier. It's not as juicy or wet, moist. It's drier. Maybe it's used for some culinary thing. What's your number?
My number is 5 because it's interesting taste, but I don't need this to live. And it's very expensive.
Oh, it is?
Yes.
I'm gonna give it a 2.
2?
Yeah, it's the seeds for me. It's just too many seeds.
Ah, okay. I eat seeds.
Yeah, I don't eat seeds. Yeah, so for me, that's I'm not buying this ever again. I feel cheated. We out. I don't got nothing more to say about this one. Peace.
Bye, guys.